Dear students, today I am going to teach you derivation of formula for multiple angle of 3a. In my previous video, I have already uploaded the derivation of multiple angle of 2a, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, sin 2a in terms of tan, cos 2a in terms of tan, similarly sin 2a in terms of cot, and then cos 2a in terms of cot, that I have already shown you how to derive that formula. Now I am going to show you how the formula of 3a will come. That one, okay? Let us begin from sin 3a. First of all, we'll start from sin 3a. Sin 3a can be written as like this. Sin a plus 2a we can write. Or you can write 2a plus a also. A plus 2a or 2a plus a. Anyone you can write. Now we'll apply the formula of a plus b. See, sin a plus b. That is compound angle formula. That is sin a plus b formula we have learned like this in class 9, compound angle. So sin a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the formula that we have already learned in our previous chapter of trigonometry. Now look at here. This formula if you apply, then it will be like this. See, just you replace a by a and b by 2a. If you replace, you will get this one. See, equals to sin a plus b. That is sin a as it is. Now cos b, b means here 2a plus, now cos a as it is. Now sin b, b means here 2a, like this. So look at here. In place of b, we have got 2a. In place of a, we have got a itself. So sin a cos b, cos a sin b. So we got sin a cos b, cos a sin b. Okay. Now this sin a we can write as it is. Sin a we can write as it is. Now cos 2a formula we have to apply. So to apply the formula of cos 2a, we have got three formula for cos 2a. Cos 2a formulas are one is cos square a minus sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, and 1 minus 2 sin a. Three formula are there. But listen, we are going to derive the formula for sin 3a. So we need to apply the formula of cos 2a in terms of sine, okay? We have to put the formula in terms of sine because here is a sine. So formula of sin 3a always will come in terms of sine. If it is the formula of sin 3a, we will put the formula of cos 2a in terms of sine. If it is the formula of cos 3a, then we will apply the formula of cos 2a also in terms of cos. Which formula you are going to derive? Sin 3a, sine 1 formula. So formula of cos 2a also in terms of sine we need to put. Now what the formula? See, this formula is cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a. This formula we have already derived in that cos 2a formula we have already derived, okay? So that one formula 1 minus 2 sine square a is the formula for cos 2a. Now plus this cos a as it is we can write. Now sin 2a formula, sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. This also you have already learned in multiple angle of 2a. See, like this, sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a. This formula also we have already derived, okay? So these two formula we are applying here in terms of cos 2a, in terms of sine, and sin 2a formula, this one we are applying. Okay, now look at it. You can just open this bracket. If you open the bracket, you will get sin a times 1 is sin a as it is, minus 2 sin square a times sin a. 2 sin square times sin a is 2 sin cube a, plus, now look at it. This 2 sin a you can write as it is, 2 sin a, let us write as it is. Now this cos a and cos a, cos a and cos a is cos square a. Okay, let it be like this only, okay? Now, what I have told you, formula of sin 3a will be all in terms of sine. But look at it, all sine, 1 is cos. So this cos also we have to change in sine now. So if you change this cos into sine, then what you will get? Let us put this one formula. See, cos square a formula. Cos square a is equals to 1 minus sine square a. This formula already you have learned in class 8. I think you have not forgotten. So this as it is you can write sin a as it is minus 2 sin cube a also as it is plus 2 sin a as it is. Now cos square a, there are binomial terms. So do not forget to put bracket also. If there are more than one term, then bracket we need. So cos square A is 1 minus sine square A. We are converting cos also in terms of sine. Now open this bracket just by multiplying by 2 sine A. If you multiply by 2 sine A, we can open bracket. So this sine A you can write as it is, minus 2 sine cube A also as it is, plus 2 sine A times 1 is 2 sine A. The plus times minus is minus, plus times minus is minus. So 2 sine A times sine square A is 2 sine cube A. So now you can write, see, this is sine A, this also sine A, see, 2 sine A and 1 sine A. They are like terms, see, these two, first term and then third term, these two are like terms, so we can add this and this. Then what you will get? 3 sine A we will get, see, 3 sine A. Then this one, see, minus 2 sine cube A, this also minus 2 sine cube A, they are also like terms. So we can add, see, minus minus, if you add it will be minus, 2 and 2 will be 4, and then sine cube A. So this is the formula for sine 3A. There is no formula for sine 3 in terms of tan, in terms of cos, in terms of cot, not like that. Only one formula for sine 3A. Like this we can derive the formula of sine 3A. Similarly, now I am going to tell you how to derive the formula of cos 3A also in terms of cos. Okay, formula of cos 3A will come in terms of cos now. Okay, cos 3A can be written as cos, either you write A plus 2A or 2A plus A. Any one you can write. A plus 2A plus A I am writing. Okay, you can write A plus 2A also. Same thing. See, here I am doing A plus 2A. That's why I am doing here A 2A plus A. Okay, both we can do. Okay, this also you can write 2A plus A also. Here also A plus 2A we can do. Okay, now cos A plus B formula we need to apply. That you have learned in class 9C. Cos A plus B in compound angle chapter. Okay, cos A plus B formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In case of cos, what will happen there? If here is plus, here will be minus. Okay, in formula, be careful here. In case of sin and in case of cos, it is different. See, in case of sin, what will happen? Say sin A plus B formula, here plus means here also plus. But in terms of, in case of sin cos, if here is plus, it will be minus, opposite, just opposite sign will be there. But what has happened is, see, in case of sin and cos and sin, see, both terms are multiplied to each other. But here, cos and cos both, sin and sin both. So sin also just opposite. So let us apply this formula, cos A plus B. Now, cos A plus B, cos A cos B. A means 2A, cos A cos B. A means 2A, B means A. Minus sin A sin B. Sin A means 2A, A means 2A, and B means now A. So sin A sin 2A sin A. Now we have to change this cos 2A and sin 2A formula now. Let us apply formula. This cos A you can write as it is, bracket formula of cos 2A. Now we are going to derive the formula of cos 3A. So formula of cos 2A also we have to put in terms of cos. Already see here, while deriving formula sin 3A, we have to put the formula cos 2A in terms of sin we have put. Now here, not this one. We have to put the formula in terms of cos now here. See, in terms of cos. Now what is the formula of cos 2A? See, cos 2A is equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. This is the formula of cos 2A in terms of cos. See, okay. In terms of sin, it was like this, 1 minus 2 sin square A. In terms of cos, this one, see. So let us put the formula of cos 2A here. This is 2 cos square A minus 1 is the formula of cos 2A, okay. And cos A as it is already we have written. Minus, this one, see, sin 2A formula now. Sin 2A same formula. Here also we are writing, see, sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. Same formula we can write, 2 sin A cos A we can write. And then this sin A as it is we can write. Sin A as it is. Okay. Now let us multiply to open the bracket. Cos A times 2 cos square A is 2 cos. Cos times cos square is cos cube A. There are 2 cos and here is 1 cos. So 3 cos. Okay. Minus cos A times 1 is cos A as it is. Minus. Now look at it. This 2 and cos A write down as it is. 2 cos A write down as it is. Remaining sin A and sin A is sin square A. Sin square A. Now, our formula of cos 3A should be in terms of cos. All should be cos. Here is cos, here is also cos, here is also cos, but this one is sine. So let us change the sine into cos now. So to change the sine into cos, formula like this. See, in class 8 we have learned sine square A is 1 minus cos square A. This formula you have learned in class 8. Okay. So let us put this one formula now. So other as it is 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A also as it is. Bracket now. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. This formula we can apply. Now open this bracket just by multiplying by 2 cos A minus 2 cos A. We have to multiply. Okay, this is 2 cos cube A as it is minus cos A also as it is. Minus 2 cos A times 1 is minus 2 cos A. If you multiply by 1, it will be same. Now minus times minus will be plus here. 2 cos A times cos square A is 2 cos cube A. Okay. Now like terms, look at here. Like terms are here. 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A. They are like terms. Both plus and plus we can add. So 4 cos cube A. And this also cos A, this also cos A. Both of them are minus. Minus, minus, if you add will be minus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then cos A. So this is the formula of cos 3A in terms of cos only. Okay. Formula of cos 3A will be in terms of cos. No need to learn the formula of cos 3 in terms of tan, in terms of cot. No need. Okay. Only one formula for cos 3A. Okay. This is very important formula of cos 3A and sin 3A we have derived. Now let us derive for tan 3A also. Okay. Tan 3A also will derive. Number 3. Let us derive for tan 3A equals to, here also same thing. See, tan 2A plus A we will do. Now we can apply the formula tan A plus B. Now what is the formula tan A plus B? That you need to remember. Okay. If you have forgotten that tan A plus B formula, then you cannot do. So formula of tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. This formula you have learned in class 9. Compound angle formula. Okay. This one formula. See. Let us put this formula here also. See. Tan A tan B. See. Now tan A means tan 2A. Tan 2A plus tan B means tan A only. B means A only. Divided by 1 minus. Now tan A means tan 2A. And then tan B is tan A only. Tan A. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. Now after this, again see, here is 2A, 2A. Now 2A and 2A we have to change in the form of A again. So for this there is again formula. Tan 2A formula. In multiple angle we have already derived this one formula. See, tan 2A formula is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. This formula we have derived in multiple angle. So if you put the formula of tan 2A here and here, see here in these two, tan 2A formula, then this one formula if you put and then simplify, you will get the formula for tan 3A. Okay, look at it. Simplification part you need to see, and then cot 3A formula you will derive yourself. Okay, I will leave for you. That is homework for you. Okay, now look at here. Tan 2A formula. Tan 2A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Tan square A. This is the formula tan 2A plus this tan A as it is we can write. Tan A as it is. Whole upon. Now denominator also see. 1 as it is minus tan 2A is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. And then times this dot and then tan A as it is. Tan A as it is we can write. Okay, let us continue in the next page from here. Okay, let us continue. Equals to. this one, see, we can take LCM over here. Tan A divided by 1 will be there, okay? So if we take LCM of 1 and this, the LCM will be 1 minus tan square A will be the LCM. And then numerator, see, this 2 tan A as it is here, nothing changed, plus, now here tan A will multiply, this one minus tan square will be multiplied. 1 minus tan square A. Okay, like this. And in the denominator also, same, see, we will take LCM of here. Here is 1 and 1 minus tan square A. LCM will be here also 1 minus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A is the LCM for this. Now, if you take LCM like this, see, this 1 minus tan square will multiply here. 1 will multiply 1 minus tan square A, and then minus this one, see, 1 minus tan square, 1 minus same, then no need to change the numerator. So 2 tan A times tan A is 2 tan square A. See, 2 tan A times tan A. So this 2 if you multiply, you will get 2 tan square A. Okay, now let us continue. This equals to this one, see, denominator 1 minus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A. These two we can reduce like this. Denominator cancel. No need to write down. Now let us open this bracket in the numerator here. So if you open, it will be 2 tan A will remain as it is, plus tan A times 1 is tan A again. And then plus times minus is minus. Tan A times tan square A is tan cube A. Whole upon. In the denominator, again, open this bracket. 1, if you multiply by 1, it will be same, no change. 1 minus tan square A minus this 2 tan square A as it is. 2 tan square A as it is. So now look at here. 2 tan A and tan A. They are like terms. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 tan A minus this tan cube A as it is divided by 1 as it is. This minus tan square A and minus 2 tan square A. 2 and 1 we can add. Minus and minus if you add, it will be minus. 2 and 1 if you add, it will be 3. And then tan square A. This is the formula for tan 3A. Okay, if you need the formula of tan 3A, always we'll apply the formula of tan 3A in terms of tan only. So this is the formula for tan 3A. Okay, now similarly for cot, okay, cot 3 also there is formula. So in number 4, if you need the formula of cot 3A, here also we can write like this, cot 2A plus A you can do. Now continue in the same process. Only what is the difference here? See, in here cot 2A will come, and here also cot 2A will come. Cot 2A and cot 2A formula will be replaced by cot 2A. Cot 2A formula I will give you here. Cot 2A is cot square A minus 1 divided by 2 cot A. This is the formula. So if you replace cot 2A formula by this, first of all, cot A plus B formula, cot A plus B is like this. Look at it. That also I will tell you. Cot A plus B is equals to cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B plus cot A. Okay, this is the formula of cot A plus B. First of all, write down formula of cot A plus B, you apply. Then wherever you will get cot 2A, that one you replace by this one and simplify. You will get like this. See, just opposite way. See, this tan cube A will come in the, this cube will come in the front side, 3 tan A in the back side. So replace tan by cot, you will get like this. See, so cot cube A minus 3 cot A divided by, now this will come in the front side, 1 will come in the back side. So you will get here 3 cot square A minus 1. This is the formula for cot 3A, okay? This part you have to do yourself, okay? I will give you homework as homework, this one. So this is the formula of cot 3A. In this way, we can express 3A in terms of A. In examination, question will ask like this, see, express sin 3A in terms of sin A. So this is the answer C. So again, express cos 3A in terms of cos A. So we'll do this one. We'll show this one C. All very important 2 marks question. Express tan 3A in terms of tan A. Then we'll do this one C. Third one we'll do. Similarly, cot A in terms of cot 3A in terms of cot A, then we'll do this one, see. Okay, so if you are asked to derive the formula or if you are asked to express, then you will do like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video.